this is Lisa Egley. Welcome to my workshop on painting the shoreline. As artists, sometimes we wonder how we can take our work to the next level. How do we take the skills that we have and refine them a little bit more and take on a subject that's a little bit step beyond what we're more comfortable with. So I'm going to show how you can step outside your comfort zone a little bit more and piece together the skills that you already have developed and create a harmonious painting that's really going to pull your viewer in. Part of what makes a landscape, or a shoreline in this case, complex is that you have various elements coming together. You have a sky that's reflected in water, you have a beach that's coming in, so you have land, you have a lot of different things going on, and it can seem really daunting, but if you break it down into certain pieces and think through a process, all the while staying focused on what the main idea behind your painting is, you can definitely get it there. In the studio with oil painting, I work in a number of different stages, so it's a much more lengthy process, obviously, than plein air painting. So I like to think through how I'm going to handle each of those stages of the painting. This same approach can be used anywhere where we have different elements coming together, and that happens in landscape, whether it's mountains or lakes or shoreline or the ocean. We have movement and we have different textures and surfaces working together to create a sense of place, to create a mood. And so these same principles can be applied anywhere. So come along with me as I paint the shoreline, where all the elements of nature are coming together to create a harmonious, evocative painting that really pulls my viewer in and tells a story about the beauty of the world around us.